Hi friends, welcome to a new video from the Architectural MD channel. In this video, I'm going to create a 3D egg, both whole and cracked, and I'll show you how I created its material. Alright, first step. I start by creating a sphere and shaping it into an egg-like form. Then I apply the FFD 3x3 modifier. I click on control points so I can select and move them. By pulling the top points upward, I can easily shape it into an egg. To smooth it out, I apply the Mesh Smooth modifier. That's it for the whole egg. Now, I switch to the front view and make a copy to create the cracked version. I convert it to Editable Poly. Select the middle part of the egg. This looks good. Then I find the cut tool and make sure snap is turned on. I start drawing random cuts around the egg to create a cracked look. Alright, now the egg is split into two parts. I select the lower section, and once it's fully selected, I hit detach and press OK. Next, I apply the shell modifier to remove inner shadowing, and give it a slight thickness, around 0.2. Now I position it properly so it looks like it's cracked. Next, I want to model the inside of the egg. I select a line and work in smooth mode. Then I place a circle roughly in the center. I convert the circle to an editable poly. Use the bevel option. and model it the way you see here. Now I apply a bevel modifier to the line. Reduce the outline value a bit. And it's time to apply mesh smooth. The egg white got messed up a little. No worries. I convert it to Editable Poly and apply a slight inset on the top and bottom. Now if I apply mesh smooth, it works fine. I also apply mesh smooth to the yolk. It looks great and very natural now. Let's move on to texturing. I'll apply the materials and explain them to you. I work with Corona materials, though there isn't much difference compared to V-Ray. It's mostly about tweaking refraction and reflection. For the eggshell, I applied a noise map and just lowered the size to around 0.5, then plugged it into the bump slot. You can also see the reflection level and color settings here. Let me apply this material first, then we'll move on to the next one. For the egg yolk, I also used a noise map. The color doesn't matter too much, it can be black and white or colored. The noise size is set to 20, and you can see the reflection, refraction, and color settings as well. I'll apply this material too. Now for the egg white material. The refraction is quite high. I'll apply it first, then show you. This noise map was just for testing, so I'll delete it. As you can see, the refraction is set pretty high. I'll even increase it a little more. Reflection is also quite strong, and the color is set close to pure white. Alright, I'll create a small scene for the render. I made a few more tweaks to the egg white. I added a slight yellow tint and made small changes to reflection and refraction. Now I'll load the scene into the camera and hit render. The render quality and realism look pretty good. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any thoughts, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out and motivates me to create more and better content. Wish you all the best. See you in the next video. Goodbye.